Hey, I'm Billy, food lover, chef nutritionist, nature addict, and passionate traveler. That's how I ended up in a TV production. It was about a chef traveling around Argentina and meeting people that live solely of their own resources. Well, I had never ridden a motorbike in my life, nor did I have the desire to end up in front of the camera. I was completely unprepared for both of these things. But the fact that I was going to travel around, see all these places, meet people, learn their native recipes, and spend time with these amazing people, I just couldn't say no. This is a story from my past, but the beginning of this journey where ByFood starts. I want to take you to discover fun, healthy, and sustainable ways to live and eat. Before we start, I would like to ask you the same thing I asked myself when I started with this idea. What is sustainable when it comes to choosing a life of values? The definition of sustainable is able to be maintained or continued. After observing myself, I conclude that a sustainable life is one where you can do what you love. And this is why I'm taking you through this journey. ByFood.